so we make less. And when we do this, we source the best materials. We bring them into our little factory in Pennsylvania, and we try to turn them into items that people would be proud to use. In doing that, it allows us to let our creative juices flow, and our hands and our minds actually build tangible items that people can use to build their own tangible items. It's about tangible items. You got to remember that. Ideas are great. Consulting is great. That stuff is the intangibles is great stuff, but there's something to be said for when you reach for an item that you can bank on, because it was made by people that understand your needs. There's no disconnect between like us and brewers. We know who they are. We know what we swap products. They create stuff. We use their stuff. We create stuff. They use our stuff. It's kind of a symbiotic relationship. I think it's so necessary. You can't have an open-ended circle. Things have to come around in a circle. You have to do something that returns back to where you start. It has to, so it can begin again. It has to. That has to keep going. It's no different than farming. Like we talk about a little farming, you eat. You have to you take, and it starts with sunlight and it ends with sunlight. And in between you get some meat and some grass and some vegetables. That kind of thing. With us, I want to see these little craft brew shops grow. I want to see their product grow. It makes me want to create something really good. I know, not to knock the rest of the world, but there's some things that are substandard. You use substandard ingredients, you use substandard materials, you get substandard products. Period. You use the better stuff, you get better products. End of story. We're a part of that. We want to make the better stuff. That's why we're here. That's what makes us exist. It's not for the money. Promise you. It's not for the money. It's because we can do what we do and create the good stuff, and the people that want the good stuff make us do this. They are the ones that drive us to do this.